Imagine a world where your gadgets understand you better than your best friend. Is it a far-off dream or a reality we're gradually stepping into with the advancement of AI and ChatGPT? Indeed, the future of AI, particularly developments in natural language understanding, promises a landscape where AI models like ChatGPT will excel in understanding and generating human-like text. With ongoing research and development, we can expect these systems to master nuanced conversations, comprehend context more accurately, and generate increasingly coherent and personalized responses. Such advancements are not limited to conversation. AI is poised to become a significant catalyst for automation across industries. It's not hard to envision a world where AI-powered systems, including ChatGPT, are integrated into various sectors, from customer service to data analysis. The potential benefits are manifold: increased efficiency, notable cost savings, and significant productivity gains. Yet the potential of AI and ChatGPT extends even further. Imagine a world where your devices not only understand you but also anticipate your needs and preferences. This is the realm of personalized user experiences. ChatGPT could be the engine behind highly tailored applications in a range of areas, including virtual assistants, education platforms, healthcare, and even entertainment. By understanding user behavior, these AI systems can customize content and recommendations to cater to individual needs, creating a user experience that is as unique as the person using it. The future of AI and ChatGPT holds exciting potential, from nuanced conversations to highly personalized experiences. As we gaze into the horizon, we can only begin to imagine the transformative power of these technologies. But one thing is for sure: the future of AI isn't just about technology, it's about us, our interactions, our experiences, and how AI can enrich them. So let's step into this future together, embracing the opportunities and challenges it presents, as we chart a course towards a world where AI and humans coexist, not as separate entities, but as integral parts of a shared, vibrant ecosystem. Imagine having a personal doctor at your fingertips, or a teacher who adapts to your learning style. AI and ChatGPT are set to revolutionize healthcare and education. In the realm of healthcare, AI-powered solutions like ChatGPT are poised to become game changers. Picture a world where AI assists in diagnosis by accurately processing symptoms and medical history, aids in treatment planning by analyzing millions of similar cases, and enhances patient care by providing instant and personalized guidance. Chatbots equipped with medical knowledge can provide immediate assistance, making healthcare more accessible than ever before. These advancements could revolutionize the way we approach health and well-being, making medical guidance a mere click away for anyone with internet access. Similarly transformative are the changes AI and ChatGPT are bringing to the education sector. Imagine AI-powered tutoring systems that tailor education to each student's unique learning style. These systems can grasp complex concepts, provide instant feedback, and adapt lessons to suit individual learning progress. ChatGPT, with its proficiency in understanding and generating human-like text, can be used to create highly personalized and interactive learning experiences. The potential here is vast, from helping students understand intricate subjects to enabling lifelong learning for everyone, regardless of age or location. AI and ChatGPT are shaping a future where healthcare and education are more accessible, personalized, and effective. This is a future where technology doesn't replace human interaction, but enhances it, making our lives better and more enriched in countless ways. As AI becomes more prevalent, how do we ensure it benefits society while minimizing potential risks? This question underscores the importance of ethical and responsible AI development. It's not enough to create powerful algorithms and intelligent systems. We must also consider how these technologies affect individuals and communities and work to minimize potential harm. Addressing bias in AI models is a crucial aspect of this. Bias can creep into AI systems through the data they're trained on, leading to skewed results that unfairly disadvantage certain groups. It's essential to ensure that AI models are trained on diverse and representative data sets, and that they're regularly audited for fairness. Transparency and accountability are also vital. AI systems need to be explainable so that people understand how decisions are being made. This not only builds trust in the technology, but also allows for scrutiny and oversight. Developers and organizations need to be held accountable for the AI systems they create and deploy, ensuring that they're used in a manner that respects human rights and societal norms. And let's not forget about privacy and security. As AI systems handle more sensitive information, safeguards must be in place to protect this data from misuse. This includes implementing robust security measures and respecting user privacy by collecting only necessary data and handling it responsibly. The future of AI and ChatGPT is not just about technological advancements, but also about ethical and responsible development. So, as we look forward to the exciting possibilities of the next 5 to 10 years, let's also pledge to make AI work for everyone in a fair, transparent, and responsible way.